Hello everyone. Okay guys, I would like to share with you what I have inside of my Dooney and Bourke banana leaf satchel in the color fuchsia. Okay, so I have an accessory pouch in the color natural. I have my charger in here. And I love this cute little accessory bag. The leather is so soft. This is in the also in the color fuchsia, and I have my sunglasses in here. And I use this for different reasons, and today I'm using it as a little sunglass, to protect my sunglasses, a sunglass pouch or case. And in this pocket here, I have my card holder and my Dooney and Bourke card case. Okay. And I have my nylon barrel bag. I'm using this as a catch-all. So it's kind of like a purse organizer. I just have tissues, my purse hanger, mints, makeup, just, kind of like a catch-all. A makeup bag or whatever. Just different accessories are in here. And my keys. I just got this bag yesterday, and I haven't, I still have the strap wrapped. Oh, and I see that this little pocket here still has the plastic on it. Yeah. And I got this as an as-is, guys, and, it had everything, and it's still pretty much wrapped up. It's really cute. And it smells like leather, and it's probably what I'm smelling is probably the handle and the leather parts, but it doesn't have a plastic smell at all. It smells like, and it's not plastic, but it has a leathery smell. Okay, so these are the items